Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Code's Arcade. This is Nisarga, and in today's video I'm going to talk about a very important concept in Python, that is stack. Stack in data structure. So as I said before, stack is a very important concept in data structure, and this concept is also there in other programming languages like Java, C++. So what exactly you mean by this stack? Stack means it is a linear data structure that follows the principle of last in, first out. That means LIFO, last in, first out. So what do you mean by this last in, first out? What do you mean by this LIFO? This means the last element inserted inside the stack is removed first. So last element inserted inside the stack is removed first. So let me explain you guys with real life example so that you guys get a idea about this concept. So let me think of the stack data structure as the pile of plates. So think that there are 5 plates where I have to place one after the other. So this is the first plate, and this one second plate, and now this is third plate, fourth, and this is fifth plate. Okay, and now if you want the plate at the bottom, so if you want this plate, then what you guys will do, you must remove all the plates on top, right? So first you have to remove this, and then this, and then this, and then this plate, and finally you left with the bottom plate, right? This is exactly how the stack data structure works. Last in, first out. Let us take another example. Take the example of here bucket. Think that this is bucket, and you are supposed to place some objects. Okay, first you will place the first object 1. Okay, this is object 1. Okay, and then object 2, this is object 3, this is object 4. Okay, now if you want this bottom object, obviously you have to remove this one, right? This object. So first you will remove this, second this, and this, and this. So this is how LIFO works, last in, first out. So this is about the concept stack. So now, as I said, the stack is very important concept, and in programming terms, putting an item on top of the stack is called push, and removing an item is called pop. So now I'm going to talk about stack operation. I'm going to talk about stack operation. Okay, so stack operation, first one is push, and second one pop, and last one peek. So push, pop, peek, these are the 3 operations in stack. Among these 3, push and pop are very important operation in stack. So what do you mean by this push? Push means we add an element to the stack. Adding an element to the stack is called push. Pop means we remove an element from the stack. Remove. Pop means remove. Push means add. So here, as you can see here, this diagram, so this is an empty stack, right? So this is empty. To this empty stack, we are inserting here a element 1, that is push. This is called push. This is first element, push. And after that, we are inserting another element. This is also push. 1, 2. This is first element, and this is second element. And this one is also push. So we are inserting another element, that is 3, push. Now we are taking this element, right? We are removing this element, that is pop. This is called pop. So push means adding an element, pop means removing an element. and this peak means it get the topmost element of the stack, and among these three, push and pop are very important. So this is all about stack and its operation, guys. In the next video I will be explaining you how to implement stack using list. So that's all about today's video, guys. Stay tuned for the next video and please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for future updates. Thank you.